Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The lesson we're going to have today is going to be on sales tax, tips, discounts. This is discounts and tax, okay? So we'll start with the first one, okay? Now it starts with read each problem carefully and solve, okay? So read the problem carefully, okay? Sometimes on these word problems, you have to read them once or twice or 3 times to say, hey, what are these guys actually looking for? Sometimes they're looking for 2 different things, okay? And in this first one, they are looking for 2 things. It says in the department store, a $60 dress has a 25% off tag. What is the discount? What is the sale price of the dress? Now this is kind of important because, hey, everybody goes into a clothing store or a grocery store or whatever, and you see things that says 25% off, okay, 50% off, 30% off, okay? And you stand there and look and say, well, how much is this really going to cost me? Okay, you're not sure, okay, but we're going to learn how, okay? Now, I'm going to assume that the teacher lets you use a calculator for these things, so that's how we're going to kind of do it, okay? So we're not going to do a bunch of long math here, okay? And many of you have a calculator in your phone, so if you're standing looking at a shirt or a dress or whatever in the store and it's 30% off, you can actually take your phone out, hey, calculator, let's see, hey, well, how much am I saving? Okay, so let's see. I'm just going to go through the basics. 25%, okay? We have to form this into a decimal, okay? And remember how we did that? You move it 2 places to the left, okay? So you put the decimal point right there, okay? So now I'm going to do the calculator, okay? I'll do the first one like this. It'll be 60%, $60, okay, times 0.25, okay? That'll be the savings. Okay, so let's see what that is. Okay, so 60 times 0.25 equals, you save $15. Okay, $15. So now they're saying that's the discount. Okay, so $15 is, hey, I'm going to square this off because, hey, this is one of my answers, $15. But now they say with the second part is, what's the sale price of this dress? So let's see, we got $60 minus the $15. So how much are we going to pay for this dress? So we're going to pay $45. Okay? And that's how much we're going to pay. Let's put dollar signs here because sometimes teachers subtract points if you don't have the correct things. And that's basically it. Okay? So the first part is, what's the discount? It's $15. And how much are we going to save? $25. But just remember, you just got to convert the percentage to a decimal. And you do that by moving 2 places to the left, okay? The same way as if you have a decimal and you want to get to a percentage, you move 2 places to the right. We're moving 2 places to the left, okay? Now, let's go to the next one. It says in a grocery store, a $10 case of tonic, soda, I'm from New England, so I use the word tonic, soda has a 20% off tag. What is the discount? And what is the price of the case of soda, okay? So, let's see, we'll start, we got the 20%. Let's convert this back into a decimal, so we get 20%. How did we do that? We moved 2 places to the left, so it's 0.20, okay? So we got $10 times 0.20 equals $2. $2. So the savings is $2. Okay, let's put the dollar sign. Let's square this off. Okay, so now we take the $10 minus the $2. The cost to us is $8 for this case of tonic. Okay, let's square that off. Put the dollar sign. Hey, so that was it. Okay, kind of simple. So the discount was $2. The sale price of the soda was $8. So we answered both those questions they wanted. Now the next one, we're in a candy store. An $8 jar of candy has a 50% off tag. What is the discount? Okay, then what is the sale price? Okay, so we get the 50%, 50%. Convert it to a decimal, move 2 places to the left. It's 0.50. So let's see, we have $8, $8 times 0.50, 0.50 comes down to $4. Okay, like I'm using the calculator for a lot of these, so you can too if the teacher lets you. If not, just do a longhand just like this and just remember to count all your decimal points just to have it there, okay? But quick math says 50% off is half off. So, hey, $8, $4 is going to be that. So now, how much is the jar going to cost me? We're saving $4, so we get $8 minus $4. It's going to cost me $4. Put the decimal point and square that off. Okay, so the teacher knows, hey, both my answers are both $4. Now, let's move on to the next one. We're in a bicycle store. A $600 bicycle, this very nice bicycle, has a 30% off tag. What is the discount? Okay, so we know it's 30%. 30%. We want to convert this to a decimal. We move 2 places to the left. We got 0.30, so we got 600 times. I like to use the dot instead of the X's, okay, only because later on down the road, when you're doing algebra, the X's a lot of times is a variable, okay? So it gets a little confusing, okay? 600 times 30 times 0.30 equals $180. Wow, you save a lot on this bike, okay? Square that off so the teacher knows, hey, my answer is 180. Now we got the 600, and just like the other ones, we minus 180 from this. We come down to $420 is what you're going to pay for this bike. Put a dollar sign, square this off so the teacher knows, hey, my answer is 420. And that's all there was to that. Okay, now the next one, okay. Whoa, this is a pretty good. A price of a new car, and this happens to everybody, okay? It's $39,990, okay? If the sales tax is 6.5%, how much sales tax is being charged? What's the government charging me? And what is the total cost for the car, including the tax? Because, hey, you're going to always think, hey, this is sales tax on everything, okay? Very few places can you buy a car without a sales tax, okay? So let's see, we got 6.5, so we're going to write 6.5%. Okay, so we want to convert this into decimals. 1, 2. So we move 2 places over. So it's 0.065, okay, is what we have for a decimal for this. So we get 39,990 times 0.065 equals, okay, they're going to charge us $2,500. 99.35. That's what the sales tax is going to be. Whoa, a lot of sales tax. Okay, put a dollar sign there. So that's what my sales tax is going to be on this car. That's quite a bit. So now, how do I get what the total price is going to be? I take this 2599.35 and I add the 3999. Oh, and I get 589.35. And that's it. So on this one here, I did use a calculator almost for the whole thing, only because the numbers were so large. But at least that way, you're buying this car, you can say, hey, how much is this whole thing going to cost me? Okay? And it's going to cost you $42,589.35. And you see how we made this a decimal from when we had a decimal point in there on the 6.5%? I'm sure they did that on purpose just to say, hey, would you be moving the percent sign or would you be moving the decimal sign? You always want to move the decimal sign, okay? And that's all there was to this, okay? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any mathematical friends that like math, share this with them. Also, if you have kids or grandkids, share this with them because it might help them in their lessons in school. Okay? Have a great day now. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.